Hi everybody, Coach Doug here. Week number 30, class number 3 for the week is butts and guts. No equipment is needed for today. However, I would suggest some water, a sweat towel, and preferably a mat. You don't need any weights. If you do have them, you want to supplement, feel free to do so. Otherwise, we're going to get right after it. Okay? A couple reminders, do what you can, not what you can't. Okay? If you decide that you need to take little breaks and I don't give them, just take them. Okay? If you want to listen to some music, please feel free to pause the video at any moment. Go play some music, get pumped up, get motivated, get right into it. Okay? And last but not least, before I get started today, I just want to say I'm proud of everybody who has tried all the videos in the past. If this is your first one, awesome. I love to hear that too. So send me a comment. Let me know if you like the videos. I appreciate hearing that, seeing that as well. So without further ado, go grab your mat, go grab your water, put on some music, get a sweat towel. Week number 30, butts and guts with Coach Doug, starting right now. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand on up. We are going to start off with some squats. So for our squats, what we're going to do, okay, is we're going to have feet shoulder apart, okay? Come on down and then up. We're just getting warmed up here real quick today. Going down and up. Go nice and controlled. Once again, weights are not needed today, but if you want to go grab some, feel free to do so. All right, we're just going to give me 5 more reps. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, shake that out. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to start off in a low squat, and we're just going to lunge back and go right back into your squat position. Here's 2 each. 3, we're doing 10 of them. 3, stay low. 4, stay low. 5, 6. Well, we move past the warm up now. 7, 8. 2 more. 9, 10. Relax. Shake them out. All right. Before we go into round 2 of the squat, low reverse lunges. Down and hold. Stay right here. Pulse first. Give me 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Low squat. Reverse back. 1, 2. Stay low. 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. 7, 8. 2 more. 9, 10. Stay in the squat position. Get low. Pulse one more time for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right, good job. Shake those out. How's that for a good start, huh? I love it. Next, we're going to squat, okay? We're going to lean off to the right, okay, for 10 reps. And then we're going to do that 2 times, and then we'll switch to the other side. If you need to go right, left, that's fine too, Okay? So, what you're going to do, squat position, a little bit more on the shoulder part. Now, lean, and now just down on this leg. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay low. 5, don't come all the way up. 6, unless you need to. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. You can go the other leg if you need to. Otherwise, round number 2. Okay? Got that nice wide stance. Starting low, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going, everybody. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Whew, all that pressure on that leg right there. All right, let's switch to the other side. Okay. All right, wide stance. Lean down. Okay, off to the side. Go. 1, 2, stay low. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 8, 9, 10. Relax. If you switch back and forth, switch again for this last set. Okay. No break for the weary here. Lean and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Shake that out. Whew. All right, do me a favor. Feet width apart. Come on down. Right here, give me 10 squats. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down and hold. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Whew. Great job, everybody. Great job. Okay, so now that the legs are starting to burn a little bit, hopefully in the quads, a little bit of glutes here. Okay, from here we're going to go to a curtsy lunge. Curtsy lunge, what you're going to do, my right leg's going to move back behind. So starting right here. Okay, give yourself enough personal space. Curtsy behind, just like that, and go. So 10 of these. 1, same leg, 2, step, 3, step, 4, step, 5, step, 6, step, 7, step, 8. You're just taking a normal step behind you. 9 and 10. Relax. All right, give yourself enough personal space. We're going to go left leg behind now. Same thing. 3, 2, 1. Curtsy behind. 1. Now, you can go straight back if you want to, but I'm going back behind, and it gets a little more pressure on that glute, I feel. 4. Step. 5. Step. 6. Step. 7. Step. 8. Step. 9. Step. 10. Relax. Whew. Okay. Quick little sip of water if you need it. Quick little towel break if you need it. Whew. We're going to do one more set of curtsy lunge, right and left. Okay. All right. Break's over. Let's get back after it, shall we? All right. Curtsies. Right leg moving behind us this way. 10 of them. And go. 1. Step. 2. Arms don't have to move if you don't want to. 3. Just feels like I'm dancing a little bit here. 4. That's the closest I get to. 5. Step. 6. Step. 7. Keep going. Step 8. Step 9. And 10. Relax. All right, give yourself that personal space. Left leg is going to go next. And go. 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Step 7. Step 8. Step 9. Step 10. Good job. All right. Let's grab that mat. What we're going to do next is we're going to go to hydrants. Okay? All right, now we're going to hit that butt area a little bit more. Okay? So right now I'm just on all fours. Okay? Just on all fours for you here. Okay, what we're going to do. Okay, we're just going to go out to the side. Here, I'll just go like this, then you can see better. It's going to go out to the side. 10 reps. Here we go. Up. 1. 2. Hold it up on number 10. 3. Back foot's off the ground. 4. Up. 5. Up. 6. Up. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up and hold it right here. Hold that as high as you can. Knee almost hip height. Hold that for 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more reps. Up. 1, 2, 3. Great job, everybody. 4. Do what you can. 5. Up. 6. Up. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up and hold. Knee almost hip height. Try not to lean too much off to the side. Hold this here for another 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2. We got 1 more set. Same leg. Up. 1. Last set, I promise. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. 6. Up. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up and hold. Come on, right here. Oh yeah, there, a little higher. Here you go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Whew. Starting to sweat, everybody. Hey, starting to sweat. Starting to sweat. All right, other side, other side. I suppose you can't see it's a black shirt. It's a cool shirt though. All right, from here, other side. Okay, and go. 1, 10 reps. 2, 3, 4. Keep going all the way. 5. Back foot's off the ground. 6, 7, 8, 9. Up and hold right here. Hold it right here. Knees almost about hip height. 7 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Feel this right in the hips, in the tush. 4, 5. Get that knee up there. 6, 7. Get some good range of motion. 8, 9. Up and hold. Hold it right here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You got last set. Here we go. Up. 1, 2. Try not to lean. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. 8, 9. Up and hold right here. Hold it here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Whew. Let's have a seat for a second. Let's regroup. Whew, that was a little bit of pain right here. Good pain, good soreness. Okay. All right. Next, we're going to go to some inner thigh. All right. Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to adjust this mat here a little bit so you can kind of see here a little better. All right. For inner thigh, you're going to bring the top leg over, which is, you're still going to feel it right here in the hip. Okay. What we're going to do, okay, if you want to just go back or in front, doesn't matter to me. Okay. All right. 10 reps. Here we go. Inner thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Or you can go like this. 6, 7. A little harder this way. 8, 9. Up and hold it right here. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Now pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. 10 more reps. Okay, this time try the other leg. If you had the leg back, go leg in front. Here we go. 1, 2, 10 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, get comfy. 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it here. Now pulse for 10, 9. Little rocks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Set that leg down. Whew. Real quick. Felt like I was in a collision. Whew. Hopefully you know where to go if you get in a collision. Whew. You know what I'm talking about. All right. Okay. Get a massage. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go, everybody. Now that I got you thinking about massages here. All right. 10 reps and go. 1. Once again, leg can be front or back. 2. I want you to try the other leg in front next time. 4. If you do it this way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it right here. Okay. Now pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Okay. Keep that leg up. Top leg over. Unless you did it this way, then you switch it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little rocks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. And pulse it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we got one more exercise before we go to our guts part of things. Okay? We got a lot of legs in, okay? But I got one more that I want to do for you. Okay? All right? And that is going to be our straight leg butt lifts. Okay? What we're going to do for that is we're going to be all fours again. We're going to straighten out one leg. Make sure you give yourself enough personal space. And then we're going to go straight leg butt lifts. And go. 1, 2, 3. Keep your butt tight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9, 10. Hold it right here. From here, you're going to do a hamstring curl. 1, 10 of these. 2, 3, 4. Back of the legs, hamstrings. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold right here. Donkey kick, 1 set here, and then we'll switch legs. 1, 2. Heel to the ceiling. Heel to the ceiling. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. All right, I'm just going to switch it over to the side so you can see this leg better. Once again, we want to be on all fours. Okay. First one was that straight leg, butt lift. Point the toe to the ground. 1, 2, butt's tight. 3, 4, squeeze it a little bit. 5, 6, 7, you got this. 8, 9, 10, hold right here. Hamstring curl, here we go. 1, heel to the butt. 2, working back of the hamstrings. 3, back of the legs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold right here. Donkey kicks for 10, and then it's time for abs. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got this. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9, 10. Relax. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick little sip of water if you need it. Okay? All right, wipe off that sweat. Quick little sip of water. Ladies and gentlemen, time for abs. Okay, if there's something you can't do, I want you to just do a front crunch. I just want you to keep moving. Okay? We're going to start with plank first. All right, then we're going to go bang, bang, bang. All right. Okay, for your plank, I'm just going to go a standard plank. If you want to do modified, just going to go down your knees. Otherwise, feel free to go one leg up. You can go the other leg up after 30 seconds. This plank is for 1 minute. Here we go then. In 3, 2, 1. Hold. Keep that tummy nice and tight. I will let you know at 30 seconds. Once again, if you want to go right leg up, if you want to go the other leg up, if you want to go out to the sides, totally up to you. I'm just going to keep holding. You're 20 seconds in right now. Remember to breathe. Don't hold it in. You're at 30 seconds. Okay, so if you were doing one leg, go to the other one. Modify however you need to. Remember to keep breathing. Looking good, looking good. 15 seconds. You got this, everybody. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. All right, we're going to lay on our back side. Okay. Next thing we're going to do, all right, kind of activate that stomach muscle. Support your lower back. What we're going to do, okay, is we're just going to rock those legs from straight leg here up with your butt off the ground and go. 10 of these. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, 2 more, up, 9, up, 10. Relax. Okay, from here, you can either do a full sit-up, which I will be doing, or you can do a front crunch. Just go slow. Okay, 10 of these. All right, 3, 2, and 1. So full sit-up, 1. Roll down. Bring it back up. Touch the floor. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Once again, if you can't do this, I want you to do a regular front crunch. 5. 6. 7. Excuse me. 8. 9. 10. Excuse me. Next, reverses. 5 more. Last 2. Relax. Excuse me, I lost my voice. Bicycles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Whew. Okay, I can breathe again. Okay. Next, you're going to do a front crunch. Okay. Front crunch. Toe tap. Front crunch. Toe tap. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. Relax. Whew. Good job, everybody. Okay. Shin touches next. Okay. Legs out, hands out. 10 of these, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10. Okay, last one. Front crunches for 10, 10-second pulse, but 2 times through. Okay? No break. Front crunch, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up and hold, chin up, pulse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Last set in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 10 crunches, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up and hold, chin up, pulse, 10, 9, 8, last set, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, way to work hard. I lost my voice there for a minute or two. I apologize for that. I don't think you actually mind that, though. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, it feels like we were on a collision course today with our butts and guts. Okay? But we survived it. We made it. And we're going to do another class again tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. Take breaks if you need to, okay? Whether it's a full day off or whether you're doing a harder workout to an easier workout or running to walking or whatever you got to do, okay? With that being said, Coach Doug O here saying thank you so much for your time. I appreciate all your effort. Butts and Guts, week 30 is in the books. Have yourself a great rest of your day, and we'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.